everyone, once again this is Grace from Cosmic Bills, and today's video I will show you on how to use one of the options that you may use in uploading your bills. The concept of this option is same as our usual uploading. The difference is just that you upload your bills and you don't need to wait until all your bills are successfully scanned. We will just notify you once your bills are in review and approved section of your Cosmic Bills account. I will show you a sample. First, go to my profile and make sure this box is enabled and click Save. We may now upload our bills. I will use 6 PDFs. Just click OK. So we will check. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the PDFs that I uploaded, the 6 PDFs, and we will check it now in Cosmic Bills. Okay, review and approve section. Oh, here it is. So you can see 500330, 500330, 500170, 500170, and so on. So that's how easy using one of the options in Cosmic Bills. Thank you.